Ever had that moment where you need to send a quick payment to a contractor, a teammate, or anyone else for that matter, but your standard bank transfer feels too slow? That's where Zelle comes in, a lightning-fast P2P, person-to-person, payment service that lets you send and receive money within minutes directly between bank accounts. But what if your bank account isn't exactly traditional? What if you use a neobank or a fintech platform specifically designed for businesses, like Relay? This question is especially relevant for all the savvy entrepreneurs out there. You've chosen a sleek, modern banking solution for your business, but does it come at the cost of sacrificing some functionalities you might be used to? Let's dive right in and see if Relay integrates with Zelle. The rise of neobanks and the changing financial landscape. First, a quick detour to understand the landscape. Neobanks, or digital-only banks, have exploded in popularity in recent years. They offer a host of advantages: user-friendly interfaces, mobile-first experiences, often lower fees, and sometimes even features specifically tailored to businesses. Relay is a prime example. It allows you to create sub-accounts for different projects, set spending limits for team members, and integrate seamlessly with popular accounting software. For many businesses, these features are a game-changer. But with this shift towards new financial players, a question arises: do neobanks offer the same level of integration with established services like Zelle? Zelle, a P2P powerhouse. Zelle has become a go-to option for quick and easy money transfers. It's integrated with most major banks in the U.S., allowing users to send and receive funds directly from their checking or savings accounts. The process is simple. You just need the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile number linked to their Zelle account. The speed and convenience of Zelle are undeniable. But the question remains, can you leverage this service if your business banking is handled through Relay? The answer, and what you can do instead. Here's the not-so-great news. Currently, Relay doesn't integrate with Zelle. Their primary focus seems to be on ACH transfers, wires, and checks for business transactions. This might be a bit of a bummer if you were hoping for a seamless Zelle experience within your Relay account. However, there are alternatives. Here are a couple of options to consider. ACH transfers. While not quite as fast as Zelle, ACH transfers are still a solid choice for sending and receiving payments electronically. With Relay, you can easily initiate ACH transfers directly within your account. PayPal, this digital payment giant, integrates with Relay, allowing you to send and receive funds quickly. It might not be as widely accepted as Zelle, but it's a good option for some situations. Direct deposit. For recurring payments like payroll, direct deposit remains a reliable option. Relay allows you to easily set up direct deposits for your team members. The future of Relay and Zelle integration. While Relay doesn't currently offer Zelle support, it's always worth keeping an eye out for future updates. The fintech space is constantly evolving, and new integrations are announced all the time. It's possible that Relay might add Zelle functionality in the future. In conclusion, it's all about options. So, while you can't use Zelle directly with your Relay account at the moment, there are definitely alternative routes for sending and receiving payments quickly and efficiently. Consider ACH transfers, explore integrating PayPal, or utilize direct deposits for specific situations. Remember, the beauty of the modern financial landscape is the variety of options available. Choose the tools that best suit your business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.